What is going on, guys? Welcome to your second XHTML and CSS tutorial. Now, before we get started, I want you guys to open a new file, and you can do this in one or two ways, and you can do this in either of two ways. First, you can click this sheet over here. Yes, or you can go to file and click new. It will give you the same results. Now, since you just need one, I will close rest and leave one. Okay. So once you do that, your file should look just like mine, basically. Just before we get started, I want to tell you that all websites are made up from something called tags. Tags are just the building blocks of a website. For example, if you want to put a picture on your website, you'll need a link tag. I mean a picture tag. If you want to put a link on your website, you'll need a link tag. If you want to put a button on your website, you'll need a button tag, and so forth and so forth. In other words, a website is just a bunch of tags that are combined together to make a complex website. So in order to make a website, you'll need the tags, and the basic structure of tags are less than sign, greater than sign, give yourself some space, less than sign, / greater than sign. Now, tags will usually go between these brackets inside. Now, for example, if it's the paragraph tag, it will be P and opening paragraph tag and closing paragraph tag. If it's the image tag, it will be also less than IMG, that is a symbol for image, and give yourself some space, greater than sign, / IMG, then greater than sign. These are just tags. These are the building blocks of our website. In other words, it is a less than sign and a greater than sign and something in the middle. For paragraphs, for images, for pictures, and any other item. You get the idea. So let's go ahead and create our first tag now. Now, check it out. I'm not going to go in depth into this first tag, but you'll need it for any web page. That is the less than sign, exclamation mark, doc type space HTML greater than sign. I will discuss it later in depth. For now, just note it. The unique feature about this particular tag, it is only used once in any web page. For now, I'm not going to go deeper into this doc type tag. Just know that it is a formality that just tells your browser what document it is looking into it. So let's go ahead and give ourselves some space that we are going to use to type some real tags. I want you to know that your entire web page is going to go into the tags, HTML tags, So let's type the HTML tags. Less than sign, HTML, greater than sign, give yourself some space, less than sign, / HTML, greater than. Now, anything that is going to be in your website will be between these two tags. That is the opening HTML tag and the closing HTML tag. Like I said, anything that is going to be between your browser, in your browser I mean, would be between the HTML tags. Basically, the HTML tags tells the browser that I'm going to start here and I'm going to end here. So let's dive deeper into it. Any website that you've ever visited contains two major parts, that is the head part and the body part, or the head section and the body section. The head section contains the technical stuff that the browser needs. The body section is where all the cool stuff is found. That is what you can view when you visit any site or those sites. Now let's go ahead and type the head tag. The head tag space greater than less than sign / head greater than sign. Now anything that between the head tags, that is the technical stuff, that is what the browser requires. Now we should note that in the head section there are items that can go in the head section. One of them is the title, the number 2 is browser information, and others. Okay, for now those are the title. Let's focus on the title for now. Now the title can go inside the head section. Now let's give ourselves some space. Now inside, let's just write the title. Now opening title tag greater than sign, less than sign, / greater than sign. Then you just type title. Okay. Then now let's go and name our title. Let's just write, this is my title. This is my title. As you have noticed, tags are embedded inside each other. For example, the title tag is embedded inside the head tag, and the head tag, which is the opening head tag and the closing head tag, is embedded inside the HTML tag. You realize that tags are just a building block of a website. Now that is how you create the head tag. We're going to talk about the body, but in our next tutorial, that is what you're going to discuss. Now, in order for you guys to save your website, what you need to do is to click File, then click Save As. Then I'm going to name my web pages Index. Index is just the home page of our website. And make sure you don't save as text. What you want to save it as is a special file. Make sure you are saving it as a hypertext markup language file. Then click Save. Okay, that is pretty much the website file. So let's go and minimize this, and we want to open our index file. This is how it looks like. HTML. It's actually, we saved it as a browser file. Now once we open it, let's open it. Check this out. In our website we have the title here. This that says this is my title. We did that by typing this is my title, right? So as I said, we did that because we just typed this is my title inside the to title tag. Now for example, if we change it and write something else, maybe we write our title. Now let's save and see what happens. Save, then we go back to our. Now when we refresh our page, you can see it is now saying this is our title. I'm sure you have realized that our title changed to once we refreshed the page. In our next tutorial, we are going to create the body, the actual stuff that you can see right here. But for now, this is what you get. Thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you later.